পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সরকারের যুব কল্যাণ বিভাগ আয়োজিত যুব কম্পিউটারের 2023 ফাইনাল এক্সামের সাজেশন নিয়ে আজকের ভিডিও। আজকের বিষয় ডিআইটিএ সেকেন্ড সেমের অ্যালগোরিদম ফ্লোচার্ট। ডিআইটিএ সেকেন্ড সেমে থিওরিতে টোটাল 70 নম্বর থাকছে, তার মধ্য থেকে অ্যালগোরিদম এবং ফ্লোচার্টের জন্য থাকছে 13 নম্বর। তাই চট জলদি এই 13 নম্বরের জন্য তৈরি হয়ে যাও। Question 1. What is an algorithm? 1. A flowchart. 2. Step-by-step instructions used to solve a problem. 3. A flowchart or pseudocode for a decision. Answer: step-by-step instructions used to solve a problem. Question 2. The information that a program requires in order to accomplish its objective is called the 1. Data. 2. Contribution. 3. Effort. 4. Input. Answer: effort. 3. In a flowchart, a calculation is represented by 1. A rectangle. 2. A rhombus. 3. A parallelogram. 4. A circle. Answer: a rectangle. Question 4. In a flowchart, an input or output instruction is represented by 1. A rectangle. 2. A rhombus. 3. A parallelogram. 4. A circle. Answer: a parallelogram. Question 5. In flowchart of algorithms, messages are classified as 1. Steps of algorithm. 2. Selection of steps. 3. Cancellation of procedures. 4. Addition of steps. Answer: steps of algorithm. Question 6. Which of the following sorting algorithms is of divide and conquer type? 1. Bubble sort. 2. Insertion sort. 3. Quick sort. 4. All of above. Answer: insertion sort. Question 7. Distinct part of documentation are 1. Technical documentation. 2. Documentation for user. 3. Program planning. 4. Both 1 and 2. Answer: both 1 and 2. Question 8. A dash symbol is used to connect parts of a flowchart that are on different pages. 1. Rectangular. 2. Oval. 3. Program planning. 4. Connector. Answer: connector. Question 9. Diagram that represents steps or operations involved in any kind of process is called system diagram, management hierarchy, convenience diagram, or flowcharts. Answer: flowcharts. Question 10. The time factor when determining the efficiency of algorithm is measured by 1. Counting microseconds. 2. Counting the number of key operations. 3. Finiteness. 4. Correctness. Answer: counting the number of key operations. Question 11. The space factor when determining the efficiency of algorithm is measured by 1. Counting the maximum memory needed by the algorithm. 2. Counting the minimum memory needed by the algorithm. 3. Counting the average memory needed by the algorithm. 4. Counting the maximum disk space needed by the algorithm. Answer: counting the maximum memory needed by the algorithm. Question 12. Two main measures for the efficiency of an algorithm are 1. Processor and memory. 2. Complexity and capacity. 3. Time and space. 4. Data and space. Answer: time and space. Question 13. Outlined program flowchart shows the 1. Processor and memory. 2. General flowchart. 3. Classified flowchart. 4. Detailed program. Answer: general flowchart. Question 14. In flowchart, symbol of rectangle with 1 curved side is used to show 1. Document printed. 2. Document written. 3. Data sorted. 4. Display output. Answer: document printed. Question 15. In flowchart, A circle with a vertical line drawn is a symbol used to show 1. Manual operation, 2. Systematic operation, 3. Magnetic tape, 4. Display screen. Answer: magnetic tape. Question 2016. Repetition of statement in Jackson method is shown by 1. Drawing sign of equal, 2. Drawing sign of subtraction, 3. Drawing an asterisk, 4. Drawing an arrow. Answer: drawing an asterisk. Question 17. When flowchart direction lines are unclear, then the programmer can use 1. Arrows, 2. Horizontal lines, 3. Vertical lines, 4. Inverted triangle. Answer: arrows. Question 18. The worst case occur in linear search algorithm when 1. Item is somewhere in the middle of the array, 2. Item is not in the array at all, item is the last element in the array, 3. Item is the last element in the array or is not there at all, 4. None. Answer: item is the last element in the array or is not there at all. Question 19. What are the 3 algorithm construction? 1. Sequence selection repetition, 2. Input output process, 3. Input or output decision terminator, 4. Loop input or output process. Answer: sequence selection repetition. Question 20. Which of the following is not the required condition for binary search algorithm? 1. There should be the direct access to the middle element in any sublist. 2. The list must be sorted. 3. There must be mechanism to delete and or insert elements in list. 4. None of above. Answer: there must be mechanism to delete and or insert elements in list. Question 21. Dash symbol are used to connect one box of flowchart to another. 1. Flow lines, 2. Flowchart, 3. Connector, 4. None of these. Answer: flow lines. Question 22. A dash is a pictorial representation of steps that should be followed to solve a problem. 1. Flowchart, 2. Flow lines, 3. Connector, 4. None of these. Answer: flowchart. Question 23. The complexity of the average case of an algorithm is 1. Much more simpler to analyze than that of worst case, 2. Much more complicated to analyze than that of worst case, 3. Sometimes more complicated and some other times simpler than that of worst case, 4. None of these. Answer: much more complicated to analyze than that of worst case. Question 24. The complexity of binary search algorithm is O(n), O log, O(n)(2), O(n log n). Answer: O log. Question 25. The complexity of bubble sort algorithm is O(n), O log, O(n)(2), O(n log n). Answer: O(n)(2). Question 26. Stock maintaining control system in store which consists hardware and software to contact and manage suppliers is called 1. System, 2. Component classification, 3. Sorting system, 4. Operating system. Answer: sorting system. Question 27. In flowchart, parallelogram is used to show 1. General input symbol, 2. Operation on data, 3. Online use of keyboard, 4. Output data screen. Answer: general input symbol. Question 28. Binary search algorithm cannot apply to 1. Sorted linked list, 2. Sorted binary trees, 3. Sorted linear array, 4. Pointer array. Answer: sorted linked list. Question 29. to write program functions such as input 4 numbers and print their sum. Program refinement first level includes 1. Input 4 numbers, 2. Calculate them, 3. Print values, 4. Print variables. Answer: input 4 numbers. Question 30. Part of an algorithm which is repeated for fixed number of times is classified as 1. Iteration, 2. Selection, 3. Sequence, 4. Reverse action. Answer: iteration. Question 31. In flowchart, invert trapezoid is used to show the 1. Online storage symbol, 2. Manual operations, 3. Communication link, 4. Show annotation. Answer: manual operations. 2. Connectors used to connect flowchart symbols to each other are classified as 1. Arrow lines, 2. Symbols, 3. Annotation, 4. Special symbols. Answer: symbols. Question 33. Algorithm and flowchart help us to 1. Know the memory capacity, 2. Direct the output to a printer, 3. Identify the base of a number system, 4. Specify the problem completely and clearly. Answer: specify the problem completely and clearly. 34. Program flowchart are the parts of 1. Operation chart, 2. Process chart, 3. Algorithms flowchart, 4. System flowcharts. Answer: algorithms flowchart. Question 35. Link with another part of program or connectors in flowchart are shown in 1. Rhombus, 2. Parallelogram, 3. Circle, 4. Trapezoid. Answer: circle. Question 36. Symbols used in flowchart such as rectangle with horizontal lines on two sides is used for rhombus, parallelogram, circle, trapezoid. Answer: circle. Question 37. An algorithm that calls itself directly or indirectly is known as 1. Sub-algorithm, 2. Recursion, 3. Polish notation, 4. Traversal algorithm. Answer: recursion. Question 38. A person who produces or creates new program for industrial and business users is called 1. System analyst, 2. Program coordinator, 3. Computer coordinator, 4. User interface. Answer: system analysts. Question 39. The average case occurred in linear search algorithm: 1. When item is somewhere in the middle of the array, 2. When item is not in the array at all, 3. When item is the last element in the array, 4. When item is the last element in the array or is not there at all. Answer: when item is somewhere in the middle of the array. এমন ধরনের আপলোডেড ভিডিও পেতে এখনই আমাদের চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিন। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং।